It's a good idea to recalibrate your Presidium Gem Tester every once in a while, actually pretty often sometimes, especially if there's any change in temperature or weather. It's a good idea to recalibrate. There's an instruction booklet that comes with your Presidium on how to calibrate, but sometimes a video is just a little bit more helpful. So basically you want to let your Presidium warm up, and if you calibrate and need to recalibrate, you should let it cool down for about 2 minutes before you recalibrate. You will be using the little pin that was provided in your kit. You come over here and you find the little outlet. It'll say C1 and C2, and you're going to press the C1 on this model until you hear a beep. There's the beep. It'll flash blue. When it's flashing the blinking blue, you're going to take your pen and you're going to depress it on the calibration until it beeps, and it will show in the calibration range. There's the beep. Once you release, it's going to start blinking green, and when it blinks green, you're going to go to the glass section, or the glass dial, and you're going to depress on the glass. You're going to see the little needle move up into the glass section and stop when it beeps. Next, it's going to blink blue. When it blinks blue, you're going to depress on the calibration until it beeps. There's the beep, and it should start blinking blue again. You're going to do that again. Until it beeps. And then you're good to go. That's all it takes. It's pretty simple.